Successful washroom specification across all sectors. We want to provide you with some best practice guidance for specifying cubicle systems in different environments. We'll look at some of the latest trends in washroom design and examine the standards and legislative provisions. We will go on to have a look at the system's construction, providing guidance on material use and selection. KEMMLIT UK is a market leader and innovator in its field. Its reputation for design and build quality are recognised by numerous awards. KEMMLIT source environmentally sustainable materials of the highest quality. Their customers cover many sectors including education, leisure, commercial, hospitality, public and retail. Washrooms are becoming a key component of a building's aesthetic and increasingly included in client, staff and customer perception. Standards are improving dramatically, with increasing use of high-end surfaces offering improved hygiene properties. Staff facilities such as locker areas and showers can incorporate design features for employees commuting and exercise requirements. For example, this locker system has integrated air duct ventilation for clothes hanging and drying. Full-height cubicle systems are increasingly in demand and provide extra privacy while offering maximum strength and rigidity. Manufacturers offer a stunning array of decors and patterns. Using digital printed images within the laminate, clients can be offered bespoke finishes. A key factor in the successful design of any washroom is appreciating its functional setting. Commercial washroom design is more than just specifying fixtures and finishes. It requires careful planning and appropriate selection of materials and components. This will ensure that your project is functional, durable, and aesthetically pleasing to your client. Whether your project is a new build or a refurbishment, the provision of sanitary conveniences and hand-washing facilities is regulated by a wide range of standards. The 2010 Equality Act, referred to in Part M of the Building Regulations, relates to access and use of buildings. The Act covers a variety of design considerations to ensure facilities can be assessed with ease, regardless of age or physical ability. Moving on to cubicle systems. Panels can be constructed from various materials to different thicknesses and include materials such as steel, aluminium, and stainless steel, melamine chipboard, solid-grade laminate, and glass. Metal systems are suitable for high-impact use. Some typical installations using this system would include public buildings such as the Tate Modern. Moving on to melamine chipboard. This is a moisture-resistant high-density chipboard. Typical locations of these melamine chipboard cubicles are also leisure or commercial environments, such as the new Grandstand at Cheltenham. Moving on to solid-grade laminate. Top and bottom layers are a decorative melamine, which form the end pattern and colour of the sheet. Typical installations would include leisure centres, prisons, high-usage school areas, and universities, such as this UCL example. If we now look at glass, there are typically two systems: silk screen printed and laminated glass. Glass cubicle system dimensions need to be very accurate for installation, as panel size and drillings for fixings need to be factory completed. Full glass tends to be perceived as designer level, so is often used in high-end solutions. Let's consider the fittings and hardware. There is a broad market choice of ergonomic design styles. Hinges are typically manufactured from aluminium or stainless steel. These can be sprung-loaded in order to close or open the door when not in use, or simply remain ajar when not in use. Regarding brackets and channels, these come in stainless steel, SAA, or polyester powder-coated aluminium. The key design functionality would be that they are through-fixed in order to provide the extra strength and rigidity to the overall construction. If the headrail is set back, together with the legs, a floating effect can be achieved. The legs are an integral element for the stability and durability of a cubicle system, either placed in the front pilasters or set back in the partition for support-optimized systems. In terms of life cycle, a specifier should expect a product warranty of up to 20 years. The general process to arrive at the installation stage involves a site survey and drawings which, once approved, trigger the manufacturing process. Once areas are complete, they are inspected and then signed off by the client. We hope you have found this video useful when specifying cubicle systems. Other ways that KEMMLIT can help to do this can be found on our website. We offer a design service, plus dedicated customer service teams. We also have NBS Plus information available for cubicle systems, and a sample ordering service. Technical visits can be made if required. Plus, we offer tours to our factory in Germany.